Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to forced restart or reboot your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy. If your watch doesn't respond to any command to reboot or restart your watch, you need to push and hold these two buttons. So let's do it. Push it and hold it, keep pushing and keep pushing, and now you can remove your fingers, and as you can see it's rebooting. You just need to wait for a few seconds. And now it's starting. And that's all. So as you can see, it is very easy, and I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.